This video was made different days, different times for the whole month of May. Well, it's time to go fishing. Let me show you how I get inside the kayak. The older I get, the harder it is. But this is a sit-on-top kayak. It's fairly easy. Point it in the right direction, and you just sit on it sideways. It won't tip. Hardest part is right here. Putting my legs inside the kayak with all that equipment. Oh well.
Okay, 2020 river maiden voyage. A couple of different things. New kayak. This is the blue kayak. Wow, the water's nice and clear. Not too many boats have been around. Because at the river, I'm going to use it constantly. Open her up. Okay. Take this off for now. And let's see. Should have stayed on the. I want to make sure I don't get hung up here.
Once I get to the right location, I drop the anchor down, and I like to anchor from the rear so I could fish from the front. I have no problems getting tangled up with my fishing rods when the fish are coming in.
Drop the anchor. I want to anchor from the back. All new. It's the first time for everything here. Well, at least with this kayak. Let me see what I'm doing here. This goes all the way back.
Oh, with me you get the full experience, not just catching fish and pulling them in. So you have an idea what a kayaker goes through when we're on the water.
Let's not forget this. Now this is where this comes to play.
Well, and here's a quart of, it was a quart of milk, and I filled it up with that great stuff, styrofoam foam. So after I anchor up, I throw the rope overboard, and it doesn't sink. It happened to me once where it did sink. That's why I'm doing this. And it's for quick release. If I have to get off the anchor, I could just undo it and come back to it later.
Alright, just like on the other kayak, you got one here, one there. This is for my camera still. And this for the third rod. I don't know if I'm going to extend that a little further, this pipe. I might even extend it a little further. Have it way out here. It swivels.
It was 360 degrees.
I might even attach some kind of a bungee to it so I don't lose it. But that's it. Here's all my stuff, the essentials. And we're waiting. Let you know what the temperature is later. It's going to take a while for it to get to the real temperature, because the transducer is inside the hole here. It's not in the water, so you don't get an instant reading. Give it about an hour. Then the plastic, the kayak plastic and the water will become the same temperature. Let's catch some fish. This big head we're going to throw out closer to the bank. I like that. Let's drop this baby down. Not too far. Open up the big runner.
Now it's time to sit and wait for the action.
Let's get rid of this rod. The one in the middle of the river. It's been going off. Chicken liver, of course. He ran with it for a while. Let's see. Let's stop him. All right, first he's thumping. Let me see. Check. Okay. He's a thumping. First channel cat of the year. He's going through some stuff. What is it? Today's the 6th or 7th?
All right, I got him close to the boat. Got to make sure that the drag is set correctly, because they hate the boat. When they see the boat, they want to do the last surge, and that's where the line breaks.
Okay. Okay. Up you go. Wow. Wow, they're heavy as they open up the bay always. Using small hooks because that's what I expect. I expect the channel catfish. There you go. Okay, let's throw it over the side. We don't want to get hooked.
Not every day I go fishing. It's perfect weather. Let's take a look at some days that's not so perfect. Would you be out there?
May the 22nd. It's gonna rain most of the day. That means it's time to go fishing at the river. It's gonna be about 70 degrees. But you know what that tells me? Should be nobody on the river but the fishermen. No jet skiers, no skiers. Let's see what we can catch. All the jet skiers have gone. There's no boats here at all. I hang in there. It's raining, but it's not cold, and it's not windy. All I need is one bite, and I'll be here till sunset. I'll move around a little bit. Gonna fish in this timber here. Oh well, gotta be out here to catch 'em. Can't be scared to live life. Hey, not every day is perfect. Gotta get out there in the rain if you want to catch them. The good thing about the rain on the river is, or anywhere really, or here is no jet skis. Usually there is no skiers, especially early in the season. So I enjoy this. I got the river all to myself. Now let's go fishing. Hey, take a look at the reel. The fish is taking line. Here we go. It looks worse than it actually is. The air temperature is 70 degrees. I'm comfortable. It's a breathable rain gear, so I'm not sweating in it. It's not bad at all. Yes, I have a bag over my camera on top of my head. It's not waterproof. Look at that fish pulling. Wow. This fish is giving me a heck of a fight. Oh, there he is. Let's get a better look at him. Nice sized channel catfish. Oh, here we go. I couldn't find my pliers. Look at this. I'm using scissors to get the hook out. Oh, it worked. Okay, now it's time to get some of this water out of the kayak. And this is how I do it. Towel, and I just wring it out. No big deal. Do it a couple of times, and the towel is good to clean my hands also. Well, after all that, it's time to pick up anchor and go where there is no rain. Can you guess where that is? Well, if you guessed, you've been fishing before in the rain. Nothing like a bridge from hail, rain, lightning, tornadoes.
Safest place, from what I heard, is the bridge.
Wow, May the 22nd. It is pouring. It is pouring out there. It's getting close to 3 o'clock. It is pouring out there. Now what's pouring here? It's also raining here. But not here. Not where I'm at. Wow, I wouldn't want to be out there right now. Everybody's gone but me. One small channel catfish so far. I'll be here another half an hour, and then I'm out of here myself. I looked at the radar, and it doesn't look like it's gonna ease up much. Of course, unless I catch another nice sized fish. Well, let's take a look. Okay, this is not a circle hook. This is just a small hook with small bait. I don't expect much. You see where I'm at. You see where I'm at, where I'm in this position. Playing with a camera. I mean, these little channel catfish in the summertime when the water gets warm, boy, they feel big. Keep them out of the rocks. There's some debris over here in the rocks. I took the line pretty far. No, I'm not gonna get him. He gets hung up. It's raining out there. Here he comes. Look at you taking drag. Yeah, I got 15-pound line on this. Whoa! I am sitting in about 5 feet of water. Water temperature is 63 degrees. There he is. There he is. Come on now. Come on. They're not that big. Boy, I tell you. Let me see. Clear some of this stuff out of the way. Whoa, easy. What am I gonna do with him? You know, I think I'm gonna put him right here. Stop. Maybe I'm 15. I think when am I gonna get a net, guys? Okay. When am I gonna get a net? Yeah, I'm sitting looking at my phone. All of a sudden I hear the clicker going off. Oh, what the heck? It's always the one behind me. The one I can't see. Look at this. Okay. You know what? Let me take a picture with the camera. Well, here it is, guys. Schuylkill River, May the 24th. Hey, not a bad catch. A lot of rain, no boaters out here, it's only me. Beautiful channel catfish. I gave it a rough estimate of 24 inches. Sun is coming out, but it's raining. I'm glad I came out. Hey, let's let him loose. He doesn't want to let it go. Could imagine what he would be doing to my thumb. I should be around my... Come on, guy. I should be around my... I'm trying to shake him off. Come on. Can't shake him off. Could you imagine if he was around my thumb? Come on. Are you kidding me? There we go. Well, it's almost 7 o'clock on Saturday. I'm just about done fishing. Looks like it's going to rain again. But take a look. To my surprise, I'm fishing for sunfish. Just to fool around. I'm catching small catfish, like 12-inch catfish. And all of a sudden, bang! This happened. Look at the bait fish. Let me see. Only 6-pound line. Tiny hook. All I'm looking for is sunfish. An ultralight rod. Probably a catfish. I'm using a worm. But it's fun. Hey. Ultralight gear. Yeah. That's what I thought. So just like them. Easy. I only got 6-pound line, guy. See, for you kids, for you newbies, see how I'm holding him? Very important. Otherwise, he will sting you. See, can't even see the hook. It's so tiny. It's my bay open. Now it is. Come on, little guy. See right there. We drop this. Well, right there, these things. Right at the end. They are so pointy, and this right here. Nice looking fish. And when you let them go, hear him? Okay, I'll let you go. He's happy to go. I'm looking at my depth finder. I'm going along. Like right there, I see something on the bottom. I don't know what it is. Get hung up or... Okay. My lure should be over it. I'm getting a bite. I'm getting a bite. I wondered if that was him. That's it. Got him. I wonder if that's what I seen. I wonder if that's what I seen on the bottom. Come on. Okay, so far with this approach, they've all been the same size. Okay. You'd be happy to go. Oh, he is happy to go. Right. Pretty loose. Okay. Drop it all the way down. Close the bail and go. 11 feet. I tell you, with ultralight, that's fun. What the heck is it? Smallmouth bass. How about that? Schuylkill River, May 23rd, with water temperature being 65 degrees. Beautiful fish. Let's let him go immediately.
When I go out there, it's not all about catching fish. It's seeing things like this. There's an eagle flying around. There's a little bird chasing a big bird. Of course, there's boats and skiers. I don't even mind watching them, but I do enjoy the nature all around me. Catching fish is secondary, and it makes for a pretty good video. Well, that's it for me. Uh, Channel catfish all over the place. No chicken liver because I couldn't buy any. There was none in the store, believe it or not. Who eats chicken liver besides channel catfish? So I did use cut bait that I caught at Marsh Creek and Blue Marsh. I couldn't catch any sunfish. The month started with a temperature of 60, and at the end it was almost 70 at the end of June. I mean, at the end of May. I hope could catch some flatheads in June. The water temperature should be above 70 degrees. It's more exciting when you catch flatheads. All right, I hope you enjoyed the video. And if you want to subscribe, go for it. Like that, you'll get notifications when I post new videos. I usually post videos once a month when things are slow, and twice when when the bite picks up. All right, return to the boat ramp safe and sound. See you next time.